Something that's really helped me with managing depression and just nervous system overreaction is cold plunging. And saunas aren't too bad, but really it's the cold that does it for me. And so I'm glad that there's a place close to home until winter really kicks in and I can just go to the lake.
Not gonna lie, I was feeling pretty fucking awful earlier today. And after a cold plunge sauna session, the sadness is still there in the background, but like overall, I feel some peace and just like good. And it was a good choice to go today.